Low notes are a real bummer on saxophone. Am I right? You know I'm right. So quite often you go to play those low notes and they just don't want to come out. It's to do with the acoustics of the instrument. It's not your fault.
It's not your fault.
I've got one quick hack for you. All you do is, when you go to play your low note, you take the first finger of your right hand and at the instant that the low note wants to come out, bang, you just slam it down on the key like that. Okay, so you go, breathe in and ba. I learned this from Andy Tweed, who's a baritone player. Now, some people might say what it does is, oh, the pad creates a puff of air, that's going to help the airflow go. I don't know. Look, if you believe that, this is really important. If you believe that, then believe it. Believe it that it works. Because the main thing is, if it works, it works. So I'll show you exactly what I mean here. I'm just going to play a low B because that's the worst note. So look, you go to play low B and maybe you go to play it and this happens. You know, you might get those overtones. So plop that finger down at the instant you play it and the low note will pop right out. You cannot miss. Hey, if you want to just improve your all-round sax playing and learn loads of little cool things like this, check out my Saxophone Success Masterclass. You can see the link there. It's really awesome. It's full of this stuff as well as all the basic stuff. It's really going to make a big difference to your saxophone playing. Go and check it out. Completely free. Just fill in your email. So that is the trick that I've got for you today. Apologies for the relatively short video, but it might save your bacon one day when you're playing in the big band and you're on baritone and you've got to come in on that low note and you remember that little tip that good old Jamie gave you and it saved your bacon. So try the finger flick trick to get your low notes out and you never know. It might work for you, and if it does, don't question why it works. I mean, I happen to think, I've got my own personal theory, that just the focus of doing something physical as you go, just like centers and keeps everything like, it really keeps your body and mind in the right state of mind, and it also gives you that positive placebo effect that low note is going to come out, and that might be really important. So, like I said, there's loads more of the stuff in my free Saxophone Success Masterclass. Go and check it out. And of course, every single time you see a YouTube video, there's a lot more besides, and all the good stuff, well, not all the good stuff, but all the extra stuff that I couldn't fit into YouTube inside the Inner Circle membership, which is an online membership for really cool, enthusiastic saxophone players like you. There's loads of other people in there. You're going to make loads of friends. And you have daily access to me, and it is the place where you can improve super fast. You're going to love it. Check out the Inner Circle. Until next week, make sure you practice hard, practice smart, enjoy your music. Take it easy.